Hello everybody, I've been so excited about this video. Today we're filming a demo, review and first impression of the Modelones Polygel system. So let's have a look at what we get in the box, which I must add is lovely. Okay, so we get the usual bump. It's actually not usual bump, it's instructions. Pretty good instructions by the looks of things. Yeah, blah blah blah. Tips, a whole load of tips there as well, which is always handy. You see, if I can get mine to look like that, I'll be very, very happy. Here is their information in case you need help after you buy the product. That's brilliant. We've got this in case of lifting and such like, just gives you a wee help pad. So we've got those. So look at them. So I won't be using them all today. I'll split it up into more than one video, but I'll use two. I'm going to use apricot and clear, I think. But the other colours that it comes in is deep nude, or they're sealed. So you get deep nude, white, obviously get the clear and the apricot, pink, pearl pink, that'll be lovely, and soft pink. Now, as far as I'm aware from the wee bit research I've done, this one is more like a milky white kind of colour, so that would be really nice for ombres, fades, etc, etc. Let's see what else we get in here. Oh, a brush. I need a new brush because mine's is kind of gone. Oops. Let's put all this to the side. Right, let me see. So that looks like a nice brush. It's a nice size actually. Let's just break that up and get some of the glue off of it. It's a really nice size. Yeah, I like that. My other one, for all the scoops, great. The spatula's great. The actual brush is done. It was just a cheap one from AliExpress though, so I don't know what I really expected. Let's put that back in there for now. And obviously on the other end we should have a spatula. We do have a spatula. Nothing particularly special about that, it's a spatula. It's a nice brush, I like that. We have a 100/180 file, which we all need, always. Dual forms. Now, I'm not usually a big lover of dual forms, but I'm going to try these. I'm not going to show all 5 fingers because that would be a long and quite possibly tedious video because I take so long to mess around. But yeah, I will show you a couple of them. We have a base coat. Apply, cures under gel for 30 seconds to 120 seconds, depending on your lamp. So if it's UV, it'll be 2 minutes. If it's an LED lamp, it's 30 seconds it cures for. Perfect. Which means that this one, yes, this is the top coat. And is that, yeah, 30 in an LED and 120 in a UV. What is this? If there's any problems, contact customer support to get fast support. That's good. That's very nice of them to include that. So I'm going to put this off, size up my fingers, etc, etc, open the polygels, and I will be back. Okay, I lied. I'm back before I've opened the gels because I wanted you to see these. Now, I've heard that this is such a clearer than clear gel, and it looks so easy to manoeuvre. So easy. Okay, so there's the clear one. Wait a wee second and we'll open the apricot one. Oh, didn't want to open there. Doesn't help that my hands don't work properly. That looks like quite a nice colour. I think I'll use this on my thumb just till I see what it's going to be like against my nail beds. I'll use the clear on my other 4 fingers. Okay, so I'm really going to get set up this time and then I'll be back. Okay, so these don't have a sticky layer apparently. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to file this a bit and then I'll come back because it hasn't been the best application. As you can see, there's an air bubble there and it's quite a big air bubble. So I'm going to just tidy up around here and then I'll come back. I'm going to file off camera though because it's easier. Okay, I'm not sure what to think about this. I think I like it, but I think I need to get used to it because it's a different polygel to anything I've used before. It's so soft and squidgy and pliable and so easy to work with. And I know that sounds like it's going to be a positive thing, but when you've worked with really stiff polygels in the past, it's so much harder to work with something so soft. I mean, I'm not very good with dual forms anyway. I never have been. I can't get the hang of them. So I think what I'm going to do, another time, another day, at some point in the next couple of weeks, I'm going to do this again. I'm going to do another wee try out with this polygel, but I'm going to do it with the tips on my nails. My own nails didn't grow much past this length, so they won't be like this for very much longer. So my point is, when my nails break or they're getting ready to go, I'll cut them and I'll use tips and I'll use Polygel like I would normally use it. I think that would be my best bet. I don't dislike this Polygel and I really want to be able to work with it properly, but I think I need more practice with it because I just haven't mastered the softness of it. But I love this. I think this is a really nice colour, and I think I'm going to top coat them. I'll top coat this one top and bottom, just to see how it comes out, because I've heard this is really clear, but I do love this apricot. So I'm going to tidy this up a wee bit more. I'm going to top coat and I'll come back.